Let's pull some more out. Darren Anderson, Torpedopot.com. Well, let's pull another big one out. See if we can pull another one. These I think were the biggest, but sheesh, I guess I was wrong because they go so deep. 20-inch planters growing all of my food for me. Oh, look at that one. That's amazing. 20-inch planter. Whoa, you're gonna love this one. That's pretty too. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at all the food I'm getting from a 20-inch planter. Guys, all you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter and it grows your food for you. Don't let these planters fool you. They're designed to grow your food and to feed you and your family for the rest of your life. Like I said, my name is Darren Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing process called Torpedopot. Well, all you do is take your seeds and your plants and you put them in this planter and it grows your food for you. You never water, you never feed, and you get food all of the time. These are radish. It grows your food for you. All you have to do is put your seeds in or put your seedlings in, walk away for the rest of the year, and it grows your food for you. You plug up a little hose in the back, you turn a knob in the front, and I just want you to see how beautiful that is. Isn't that beautiful? That's beautiful. It's beautiful because it's growing in a torpedo pot. Walk with us and let us show you how to grow your food. And we'll take you into areas that you've never seen before, areas of agriculture that you've never experienced. And you'll be able to grow hundreds, if not thousands of pounds of food in your backyard. Most of you today, your gardening is over. It's done. Mine is just beginning. I get to grow 24 hours a day around the clock using my torpedo pot. Nobody can grow more food than torpedo pot in the backyard than anything else you've ever seen before. Most people spend thousands of dollars on tools and millions of dollars on farm equipment. You don't need that anymore. All you do is throw your seeds and your plants in that planter. You turn that knob right there and it grows your food for you. You'll never have to grow your food again in your life. And my food is good. I love different approach. This pot has been designed to grow fungus. We realize a lot of people use fertilizers in their to feed their plants. And what we try to tell individuals is that fertilizers, they're like a drug. What you do is that you put the fertilizer in and it goes to the plant's root system and the plant absorbs it up. But the plant is not going out and reaching and getting its food. The plant is not existing in an environment, a natural environment where the microbes and the fungus are there to help break down those particulates and make them available to the soil. So you don't have that building soil process. You simply throw your fertilizers in, it goes up into the plant, and it's like a stimulus to make the plants behave in a certain way, not with torpedo pot. With torpedo pot, you are eating unhealthy food and you know that it's not good for you. Why are you doing that? Get a torpedo pot. Let it grow your food like you've never seen before, and you'll have food for the rest of your life. Torpedo pot makes that possible. Healthy, organic, nutritious food like you've never seen before. I'm going to weigh this to see what my quarter worth of seeds has produced for me. Yes, this is less than a quarter worth of seeds. Less than a quarter, probably just a nickel. And if I let them grow, I'll get more seeds that will sustain me for the rest of my life. I'll never ever have to buy radish seeds or buy radish again in my life. I simply take it, throw it in my planter, and it grows my food for me with no human intervention. I turn that knob and it creates a sustainable biotic environment. As I turn the knob up, it grows faster. Turn the knob back, it grows slower. Darren Addison, Torpedopot.com. Isn't that amazing? We have 17 planters that have the ability to grow close to 3,000 seeds. What are we looking at now? Wow. Looking at about 51,000 seeds. Totally different. So we are in the process of growing fungus. So let's set that aside for one minute. So we have the plumbing that distributes the water, then you adjust the water to grow the fungus that feeds your plants. Food is not a problem. I'll have food for the rest of my life because I have torpedo pot. Once you get this planter, it will last you, we've had ours for about 7-8 years now. I expect these to last you for about 15 years. The only thing you replace it is the feeding stick inside the planter, but because they make it clogged from different water types. But nevertheless, these planters, for most of you, should last you the rest of your life. Again, put your seeds in a planter, put your plants in a planter, and you'll have food like you've never seen before. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. It's beautiful, guys. We can take a picture of this all day long. I want to make sure you're able to see the bottoms. And the tops. Because Torpedopot grew them all. For just less than a nickel worth of seeds, I can grow so many pounds of radish with no problem at all. And they're so beautiful. All right, Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Let me get this back in, get it cleaned up, and so I can pick some more radish. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. So, now, we eat the radish, we eat the leaves, we eat the stems, we eat the flowers, we eat the pods where the seeds are. Torpedopot is a self-growing system. It grows your food for you. All you do is throw your seeds in these planters. And you'll never have a problem with food again in your life. Torpedopot runs. You never water, you never feed. You only supplement your plants and you get a lot of plants.